How to add a BeReal widget on your iPhone home screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a BeReal widget on your iPhone home screen. So to do that, there are basically two ways on how you can do that. So the first way is simply long press on anywhere that is empty on your home screen. So in my case, this corner right over here. Now once you long press on it, the app will start to jiggle. So you'll have to simply tap on the plus icon on the top left corner of your screen. And now, if you don't have any open space on your home screen, what you can do is simply long press on any app. After that, tap on the option Edit Home Screen. Now, once again, the apps will start to wiggle. So tap on the plus icon on the top left corner of your screen. After that, you will see the BeReal widget over here. But if you don't see this over here, simply scroll down and then simply tap on the application BeReal. Now once you've done that, you will see that this is the only widget of BeReal. So if you want to add this to your home screen, simply tap on the option Add Widget, and now you can readjust this widget to be anywhere on your home screen. So for now, I'll simply drop this on the bottom left corner of your screen, and then as you can see, that is basically how you add a BeReal widget on your iPhone home screen. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.